Hello and welcome back. We are almost done with our example websites here, just like this one. Where it remains now is this last part. This is the one we're doing, and we're going to put the footer. And as you remember, we did a footer in the component section, and this was what we were able to do. We had a footer. If you look at the code, we had a footer. So we're going to pick this footer section, and we're going to use it in this video because we don't want to go over creating footer again, so that we won't have a very long video. If you want to see how we did it, you can go back to that component and see how we did it. So I'm going to copy out the footer and bring it to our code. Let's call this footer section and just paste it in the footer section. Currently, if you look at what we just did, it's not going to be exactly like we have it here. All we need to do is just do the tweaking and have the same footer. But of course, this is the footer, but it's not exactly this way. So we're going to tweak it out to make it that way. What we have here in the original sample is a kind of image under and then a backdrop on it. So we're going to change this background to an image. I will use an image here, background image URL, and I'm going to use this image. So we have this image as the background. You can see all the text are on it, and I'm going to create a backdrop. The backdrop will be a parent div that will have all the sections in it. That is the section and also another copyright section. Also, there are two sections underneath. So I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to put it inside here so that it has a parent div, which is this. I'm going to make it a backdrop blur of 2XL, and you can see right here, it already has shown that look. And I'm going to also turn all the text to white so that all the content is white, and I'm going to give it a background gray of 700. Maybe I can say background slate of 700, and then I'll make that background 60% transparent. So it has this look. If you change this to orange, you will see it gives it an orange-like look, but we want it to be grayish so that it follows this pattern. If you take a look at the original one, you will see they look quite similar. And so if you now drag this, it also does the same look. Now, this is the footer. This is the testimonial. This is product page. This is tech page. This is the first page. And then this is the banner. And this is the menu. And this is how we are able to create the whole page. The full page is in the footer final file. So you can see the full page. You can try your own and, give it a little variation from what we have here. Just see how you can tweak it to make it look a little bit different from what we've done in this place.